All right, do you have a stationary bike and figuring out where to put all your stuff is kind of an issue? So that's why I really like this here. So this is added to my Peloton, but you could use it on any stationary bike. It's super, super easy. It just clicks like this, right? And then like this. And it's just a super easy, of course I dropped it, a super easy way to kind of put a holder. It just has these two pieces here. You put it on right over the thing. Part it on one side like this, and it just clicks onto the other side like that. And then you do the same thing here, and I put it this way across so that way it's stable, right? So it is a nice, it holds lots of different size phones, even little mini Kindles, right? I've been using this same one, and you can see how great these bands are. 3 years, for 3 years now. And so you can see how easy it holds up. So something just as simple as this is an amazing thing to have added to your stationary bike. You should get one if you're going to be exercising and need a place to put like your phone.